Hi, I'm Stu Patterson with Symetrix, and I'm here at InfoComm 2026, and I want to talk to you about how Symetrix handles control in our ecosystems. We'll start with Composer-based products. So at our core, we've been a control company for several years. We utilize UDP, TCP strings in order to send commands to any third-party device. We also utilize Lua scripting to create drivers for any third-party device. If it has an open API, we can control it. We can write that driver and you can import that into your Composer or Cognio, for that matter, site file and control that third-party device. So any third-party device with an open API, I want to stress that. And how do you control those devices once you have that driver? Well, we have several options. We have our touch panels. You can create custom GUIs, and then in that custom GUIs, you can trigger these drivers internally in the programming in order to affect those devices, whether it's a camera, a microphone, anything that's third party. We can associate these controls with any of those functions that are already in that driver or API. And then we also have our W-series controls for more simplistic designs that don't require a custom GUI. We have our W3, we have our W2, and you can associate up to 8 volumes on a single knob or have multiple press buttons on our W3 over there. So we have options for control. And also we play well with others. With Cognio, we introduced a new API that's JSON-based, so you can easily integrate a Cognio system with Extron, Crestron, or whatever device you have to control us. So not only can we control anything, we allow ourselves to be controlled by other product categories. And it's a simple thing utilizing our very human-readable JSON RPC API. And with that, I'm Stu Patterson again, and you can find us at www.symetrix.co, Symetrix.co. Thank you very much.